Have you ever wondered if running fast makes you stronger, or if running slow is the secret to improvement? Today, we are going to reveal the truth behind this big question. Do you want to know how you can transform your training and maximize your results? Get ready to be surprised. We are going to explore the benefits of running fast and slow, and find out which is really better for you. Don't go anywhere. What you're about to learn can change your training forever. Running fast has a series of incredible benefits that can transform your performance and take your training to the next level. Let's explore these benefits and how you can incorporate them into your routine. First, running fast significantly improves your cardiovascular capacity. When you run at high speed, your heart and lungs work harder to supply oxygen to your muscles. This not only strengthens your heart, but also increases your endurance. Did you know that even short sessions of high-intensity intervals can make a big difference? That's right. You don't need to spend hours running fast to see results. Second, increasing your speed also boosts your muscular endurance. High-intensity workouts, like intervals and fartlek, help develop fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are crucial for improving your speed and strength. Additionally, these workouts make you more efficient, meaning you can run faster with less effort. Third, fast workouts burn more calories in less time. This is due to the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories even after you've finished your workout. If you're looking to lose weight or stay in shape, incorporating speed sessions into your routine can be very effective. Fourth, running fast also improves your running technique. At higher speeds, you become more aware of your posture, stride, and cadence. This helps you identify and correct any issues in your technique, which can prevent injuries and improve your overall efficiency. Lastly, speed workouts are exciting and challenging. They keep your training sessions varied and motivate you to push your limits. This not only improves your physical performance, but also boosts your confidence and determination. So, how can you start incorporating these benefits into your training? Here are some practical examples. High-intensity intervals. Alternate between running at maximum speed for 30 seconds and jogging or walking for 1 minute. Repeat this cycle 6 to 8 times. Fartlek. During a continuous run, alternate between fast and slow paces. For example, run fast to the next tree or lamppost, then slow down to the next landmark. Hill repeats. Find a steep hill and run up it at full speed. Walk or jog back down to recover. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Incorporating these workouts into your routine will allow you to enjoy all the benefits of running fast. Get ready to see how your speed, endurance, and overall fitness improve dramatically. While running fast has its advantages, running slow also offers a range of benefits that you shouldn't underestimate. Let's find out why running at a slower pace might be just what you need to improve your performance and overall well-being. First, running slow is excellent for recovery. After intense workouts, your body needs time to repair and strengthen itself. Running at a slower pace allows your muscles to recover without adding significant additional stress. This reduces the risk of injury and keeps you in good shape for your next intense workouts. Second, increasing your aerobic endurance is another great benefit of running slow. When you run at a moderate pace, your body becomes more efficient at using oxygen. This improves your aerobic capacity and allows you to run longer distances without feeling exhausted. Long, slow runs are fundamental to any endurance training program, especially if you're preparing for a marathon or half marathon. Third, running slow also helps improve your energy efficiency. By running at a more controlled pace, your body learns to use energy reserves more effectively. This means you can run longer and farther without needing to refuel as often. Additionally, training at slower paces teaches your body to burn fat as a fuel source, which is essential for staying active during long distances. Fourth, running slow is excellent for mental health. This type of run can be very relaxing and meditative, allowing you to disconnect from daily stress and enjoy the environment. Many runners find that their best ideas and solutions to problems come during these quiet runs. Moreover, running slow can improve your mood and reduce levels of anxiety and depression. Fifth, slow-paced training is perfect for building a solid training foundation. Before focusing on speed, it's important to have a good base of endurance. Running slow allows you to accumulate kilometers without overloading your body, preparing your muscles, ligaments, and tendons to withstand more intense training in the future. How can you make the most of the benefits of running slow? Here are some practical tips. Long, slow runs. Dedicate one day a week to a long run at a comfortable pace. This run should be at a pace where you can hold a conversation without getting out of breath. Recovery runs. After a day of intense training, do a short, slow run to help your muscles recover. Keep the pace relaxed and focus on technique. Conversational runs. Go for a run with a friend and maintain a pace where you can talk comfortably. This not only makes the run more enjoyable, but also ensures you don't overdo the pace. Incorporating slow runs into your training routine can lead to great results. You'll not only improve your endurance and energy efficiency, but also enjoy a more relaxed and pleasant running experience. So, don't underestimate the power of running slow. Science also has a lot to say about whether it's better to run fast or slow. Let's look at some studies and data that might surprise you. First, a study conducted by the University of Copenhagen revealed that combining fast workouts with slow runs maximizes the benefits of both. Runners who alternated between high-intensity sessions and long, slow runs showed significant improvement in their overall performance and cardiovascular capacity. Another study from the University of Exeter found that slow runs help improve the body's energy efficiency. Runners who practiced low-intensity training were able to maintain a steady pace for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Additionally, research from the University of Colorado demonstrated that high-intensity workouts can increase muscle mass and strength, while slow runs are essential for recovery and injury prevention. These studies suggest that there is no single answer to which is better. The key is to find a balance between running fast and slow to take advantage of the benefits of both approaches. So, what's the best option for you? The truth is that combining both types of training is the most effective strategy. Let's break it down. Running fast helps you improve your speed, strength, and cardiovascular capacity. These workouts should be part of your weekly routine to push you out of your comfort zone and see quick improvements. On the other hand, running slow is crucial for building a solid endurance base, allowing recovery, and improving energy efficiency. These workouts ensure that your body remains strong and injury-free. A balanced approach could look something like this. Monday, slow recovery run. Wednesday, high-intensity interval training. Friday, moderate pace run. Sunday, long, slow run. This type of training plan allows you to benefit from both styles, ensuring you improve your performance without overloading your body. Testimonials from successful runners, like Eliud Kipchoge and Mo Farah, show that this mixed approach is used even by the world's top athletes. They combine speed sessions with long, slow runs to stay at the top of their game. Now that you know combining both styles is the best, here are some practical tips to implement this in your routine. Listen to your body. Alternate between high and low intensity sessions, and pay attention to how your body responds. Adjust your plan as needed for more recovery or more challenge. Plan your workouts. Structure your training week with a mix of fast and slow runs. Use a calendar or an app to stay organized and motivated. Vary your routes. Change your running routes to keep things interesting. Use flat terrain for fast runs and seek out hills for recovery sessions and long runs. Make it fun. Incorporate group runs or personal challenges to keep motivation high. Competing with friends or joining a running community can make training more enjoyable. Injury prevention. Include stretching and strengthening exercises in your routine. Running fast and slow puts different types of stress on your body, so it's important to keep your muscles and joints healthy. With these tips, you'll be on the right track to maximize your performance and enjoy all the benefits running has to offer. So, get out there and start mixing those speeds. Your body and your performance will thank you. And there you have it. The secret to maximizing your training is balance. Don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, subscribe to the channel for more running and wellness tips, and hit the bell to never miss new content. Let me know in the comments about your experiences with fast and slow running and what results you've seen. See you in the next video. Runners, keep running and taking care of your health.